Did you know that your Apple Watch has a Waypoints feature? And if you did you know how useful it is? Because what it does is that you can save a position, a location in the watch, and then you can use the watch to find your way back. And you can also use it to measure the distance between a location and where you are. Let me show you how it works. So go into Compass, and when you open up Compass, you're gonna see this. It doesn't look so much, but at the bottom left where you have this little thing that looks like a speech bubble, it's not. That is the waypoint feature. So tap that one. So now the watch is saving this exact location. We can rename this if we want to and say that, oh, this is where we parked our car, for example. We tap done, and then we can set a custom little icon like the car, and I can change the color, and we can also see the position and coordinates here on the map. And when we're done, we just tap the green checkbox. Now this position is saved. So now let me show you the magic. Let me take my bike, and then I'm just gonna bike down a little bit so you can see how it works. So imagine that you are traveling somewhere, you are in a city, you parked your car somewhere, or you're just out hiking, or you just would like to measure distance to something. So for example, when I'm down here, now I have no idea where I parked my car. So I take up my Apple Watch, I go in to Compass again. When I'm into Compass, I take the little eye at the top left. And here I can scroll down. Here I see all my information about my position. And here we have waypoints. Tap waypoints and then Compass waypoints. And here I can see that I have my car and it's currently 33 meters away. If I just take some steps, one step is 34. And here we have 35, 36. So we can see how accurate this is. And then I can navigate to this one. I just tap it. And then I can just scroll down past these things until I see target waypoint. Tap that one and I can see exactly where my waypoint is. Here it says car is 36 meters behind. So then I can just use this one to find my way back to whatever I'm trying to get back to. It's just that you have to set this waypoint before you get lost or before you realize that you have to find your way back to something. And here we have 50 meters ahead. Here we have arrived to our car, and that is happening when we have about this distance left. This is a phenomenal feature that I discovered just some days ago, but now when I know about it, I'm gonna use it more and more because sometimes you just can't find your way back that easy. And I actually used this feature in a video on my other channel where I was measuring how well the connectivity to this wireless microphone system was, how far I could walk. And then I could use this to see how far away I was from the camera. So now for Apple Watch Ultra users, what you can do is that you can set this button here on the side to set a waypoint. So you're gonna find your settings, go into your settings. Where is the settings? The settings is here, settings, and then you go down to your action button, and here in action button you can go to change this to waypoint. And now when you've set that to waypoint, the only thing you need to do is to press that one and waypoint is created, and you can set the name of that waypoint. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and buy me a coffee if it was really useful. Next thing we're gonna do, that is to see each other in that video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.